Coolflask half-gallon insulated water bottle review. Stay hydrated in style. If you're someone who's always on the move, whether it's hitting the gym, hiking trails, or long office days, the Coolflask half-gallon insulated water bottle is a hydration game-changer. I've been using the Samurai Cyan version, and not only does it look sleek, but it truly delivers on performance. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, it's BPA-free, rust-proof, and keeps drinks cold for up to 48 hours or hot for 24 hours. No more lukewarm water halfway through the day. I love the versatility of its 3 lids: a spout lid for hot drinks, a straw lid for cold sips, and a handle lid for easy carrying and refilling. The 64 ounces capacity means fewer refills and more hydration, especially during outdoor activities. Pros: keeps drinks cold for 48 hours, hot for 24/3 interchangeable lids. Large capacity and eco-friendly build, sweat-proof portable design. Cons: not dishwasher or microwave safe. A bit large for smaller bags. For those who value durability, versatility, and long-lasting freshness, the Coolflask half-gallon is a must-have companion for every adventure.